At Reform Plastics, we offer decking with distinction. Now, this is not any ordinary wooden or even composite decking. We supply and install 100% high-density recycled plastic decking that requires no maintenance and is anti-slip even when wet. Due to our product's high strength and durability, it does not rot, split or splinter, meaning you'll be able to spend more time enjoying and relaxing in your outdoor space instead of carrying out ongoing costly repairs. From concept to completion, our experienced and dedicated team based in Bournemouth have the flexibility and understanding to collaborate with you to bring an idea to life.